Welcome to our overview of the top 5 KPIs for email support. These metrics are crucial for ensuring your team operates efficiently. First, let's understand what a key performance indicator is. KPIs are measurable metrics that help track the performance of your email support team. Why do these KPIs matter? Customers expect quick and effective responses, and businesses need to monitor performance for improvements. Now, let's dive into the top 5 KPIs for email support. These focus on speed, resolution, satisfaction, and efficiency. First response time, or FRT, measures how quickly customers receive a reply. Fast replies reassure customers that their issues are being addressed. For example, a company replying within 2 hours is considered efficient. However, a delay of 24 hours can lead to frustration and negative reviews. Next, we have average resolution time, or ART. This tracks how long it takes to fully resolve a customer's issue. A quick resolution leads to happier customers. For instance, IT teams resolving issues within 12 hours often see higher satisfaction. Moving on to Customer Satisfaction Score, or CSAT. This measures how satisfied customers are with their email support experience. A high CSAT indicates happy customers who are likely to return. Conversely, a low score suggests a need for service improvements. In summary, understanding and tracking these KPIs is essential. They help improve efficiency and enhance customer satisfaction.